is lights and the backdrop and the camera set. So as you can see, this light is coming on my face. These both lights, and this is how I basically set my own camera. I do the settings out here on my DSLR. This is lights and the backdrop and the camera set. So as you can see, and this is how I look in front of the camera. Hello, hi. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glowraze Media. This is Basav here with another new video. Today I'll be sharing with you that how you can come up with your own shooting, the shooting of your own videos. And through this video, I'm going to be showing you that how I shoot my own videos. So let me take you through this. It's a very fun and exciting process which I follow while shooting, and I'll be showing you that how I shoot my own videos for my own YouTube channel. So let's have a look what happens in this video, something exciting out there. Well. So as you can see, this is my own studio where I do my shooting, and this is how it looks like. Basically, there are no lights out there shooting, so I'll be showing you that how I do my own shooting. This is my whole studio. Let me show it to you. These are the lights which I've kept it on to show you that how basically I do my own shooting. This is my own studio where I do my own shooting. Yes, and I have basically set up the lights out there. I have basically set up my own light, which really shows that how I can shoot my own videos. I have got for myself a curtain out there. This is a curtain, and this curtain is basically my backdrop for my own shoots. And this is the light. This is the halogen light which I have kept for my own studio shooting. You can see it pretty clearly that how this is how I set up my own set for my own YouTube channel. This is this is what my studio looks like, and there is let me show you how. This is what my studio looks like, and there is let me show you how. So this is some good lights and colors out there. This is my whole studio, and this is how it looks like. This is lights and the backdrop and the camera set. So as you can see, this is how I basically set my own camera. I do the settings out here on my DSLR. I set the camera properly, and in this camera I'll be showing you that how I set the recording and everything out here. This is basically the lights which showcase me in front of it, and this is how I look there in front of the camera. Yes, so basically what I have done is this is my backdrop, and this is how I keep my camera. You can see this lights coming on my face, and this is the backdrop. I have kept curtains, and I have chosen out there the good stand out here for the backdrop, and this showcases how these curtains are set above, and this is basically the setup of the camera, which shows that how my shooting is done. and how I have kept my clothes here to shoot for the videos. I try to shoot about um, 5 to 7 videos in a week, and this is how I do my shooting. And you can see this light is coming on my face. These both slides and Mr. Camera, they're standing out there for shooting me, and this is how I look in front of the camera. Hello, hi. So now I'll be wanting to show you the backdrops which I use so that the video doesn't become boring. So here are the kind of backdrops I have got for myself. So basically these are the kind of backdrops which I use to keep the curtains out here, and it's falling down. So it basically shows a good lights and colors, and this is a white one which I put out here, and this is the idea which I have. So I would also urge you to change different backdrops if you like, because that gives colors to your videos and also gives a particular idea that how you can come up with your own backdrops and a good different kind of creative aspect. Is how I create my own videos, and I would urge you to do that for yourself as well. Thank you. I will how I set my own camera for coming in front of it, and I showcase myself, and this includes the light. Clearly, let me have a look. I have to set the camera stand properly. Okay. So, I'm back here in the front of the backdrop, and I'm going to be telling you that this process is very exciting for me, and one of the most wonderful aspects of I love to speak in front of the camera, and I love to come in front of the camera and tell you about the knowledge which I have experienced in the last 6 to 7 years of digital marketing. Well, so the purpose of this video was basically to show you that how you can also come up with your own setup in your own house. You don't need to particularly spend a lot of money. You just need a phone. You just need some lights coming in. They're not very expensive. These two lights must be around 4,000 rupees, and my mic here which records most everything, and then I go to my studio and then I edit, and there I am an editor myself, and I do my editing on Premiere Pro and After Effects, and this basically helps my video to come on YouTube, which you can see right now. So the purpose of this video was basically to show you that how it's so easy and it's so wonderful process to shoot your own. It is so easy to come up with your own video. You can shoot yourself. You can talk about interesting things. You can talk about interesting things in the front of the camera. You can talk about your experience. You can speak about it. You can make your own channel. You can talk about the things that you know. You can share your skills. You can show you can show the world of ideas which you have in your mind through the work that you do. And I would just tell you that it's one of the most exciting process of shooting your own channel and your own videos, and I would urge you to come online and share your own videos. Basically, you don't have to spend a lot of money, because I think that basically every phone has a camera and a recorder. So and this phone basically records from my mic here, and I am sharing it with you. This wonderful experience of mine, which I love to shoot and talk about topics. I talk basically around about digital marketing, and I know the importance of it is I know the importance of digital marketing is unspoken, because the world is going to change, and I believe that to adapt with times is one of the most important things. So what you can do is you can get a tripod for yourself. If you have good lights in your house, you can start from your own room and you can shoot yourself and you can promote whatever you know. You can come up with lots of wonderful things which I've shared you already with the videos I put on YouTube. So you can come up with your own idea and you can plan it down and you can then come up with your own kind of things which you think that it will appear and be elegant to the world to see. And this is how I keep on changing my curtains here because I like to give you a very good customer. So I choose you over the fact that it doesn't become boring and all. So my backdrop, I believe, and my shirts need to match with the color contrast out here. And also I would like to say that through this video that I would urge you, my main reason to show you this was that you start shooting and you have your own videos so that you can get your viewers to see and market yourself online digitally and promote your own products if it's needed. I am the face of my brand, so I would urge you to even do that. So I hope this video was interesting for you, and I will see you in the next videos with another new and great exciting things to offer to you. And hope if you like this video, please do comment and subscribe if you have not done yet, and please press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.
So